I write to you whom it may concern. I'm at the point of no return. What will I do? Sometimes I have to say what I think, and now I'm standing on the brink. What will I do? I don't know where we will go. Where we go and flow. We don't really have to try. It'll happen by and by. So let me tell you what it is that I'm asking of. What will I do for love? For love, what will I do? What will I do for love? I'll do it for you. Will I write 1,000 songs, work like a slave from dusk to dawn? What will I do? Leave my home and sleep on the street, walk the world with no shoes on my feet. What will I do? What does love really require? Will I swim the lake of fire? What does it profit a man if he gains the world but love slips from his hands? Let me tell you what it is I'm really speaking of. What will I do for love? For love, what will I do? What will I do for love? I'll do it for you. The ways of love are very strange. I recognize my life will change for you. I will love until I die. In my arms of my mind's eye, I will hold you. I will go against the grain, go through any kind of pain. The way is long, but the way is straight. All good things come to those who wait. Can you understand now what I'm speaking of? What will I do for love? For love, what will I do? What will I do for love? I'll do it for you. What will I do for love? For love, what